you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, today I'll be sharing the best iced coffee on the internet. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna love this coffee recipe once you're gonna try it. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's get into it. The ingredients are super simple. All you're gonna need is half a cup of hot water, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, whole milk, half a cup of, or you can use any other milk, 2 teaspoons of custard sugar, and 7 ice cubes. That's all. All you're gonna need is a mason jar. So just put 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, two teaspoons of custard sugar, or you can add more than that. Like I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of custard sugar because I like it a little bit sweet. So yeah, and also mix it up with the chopsticks. Don't judge me. Pour in the hot water, just a half amount, not full. Just make it half water, half milk, and half ice. So as you guys can see, I just added half a cup of water, and now I'm gonna mix it up until it's well combined with the sugar and the coffee. Nice and mixed. I'm gonna keep it aside for just 5 minutes until the water cools down for a bit, and then I'm gonna add the ice. So it's been 5 minutes and the coffee is nice and ready. Now I'm gonna add some ice into it. I like it to be a little bit extra cold, so I'm adding a little bit more than 7 cubes ice. Now just add the milk and you are done. And oh my gosh, you guys, this is the best coffee you will ever have. I'm gonna be pouring in the milk and just mixing it up, and voila, coffee is ready. I swear it's gonna change your life. You gotta try it and let me know what you think about it. Honestly, my fave. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my all social platforms. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.